Welcome back to my channel. It's 𝐸𝑚𝑎𝑧𝑖𝑛𝑔. I'm so glad you made it back. Hi, Mr. Traveler. Today we will be spending the day at Restoration Hardware, West Palm Beach location. This is one of my favorite stores in the world. I love Restoration Hardware. Everything in here I want. And after you see this tour, you're going to want it too. Sometimes we can't skimp on the cheap stuff. We can't go low quality. So some things we have to go ahead and shell out the money for. And when I do, I go ahead and hit up Restoration Hardware. This is my favorite home decor store. I hope you enjoyed this tour as well, and just sit back, relax, and enjoy. If you do, subscribe to my channel. Please leave me a thumbs up. Let me know you love it, and leave me a comment below and let me know what was your favorite thing you saw in the video. And we also had lunch at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for showing me love on my last tour video of Restoration Hardware here in Orlando where I live. So if you can't get enough, click over and watch that video as well. So here it is, Restoration Hardware. I'm going through a renovation in my home and I have some pieces that I want to show you very soon. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Here, and I normally don't come on camera to talk, but this particular flower is so pretty and it's only $115. Everything in here is not as expensive as you think, but it's well made. This is very thick. See how thick that is? But I'll go around the front so you can see it better. Here it is.
Bonus.
Thank you, girl.
Rose lemonade.
So, how did you like the food, Mr. Traveler?
One of the best sandwiches I've ever had. It's very good.
While the shades are going down behind you. I really love food. I normally don't eat with my sunglasses on, but since we're in Palm Beach at Restoration, I wear my sunglasses at night.